How to get Notion Premium. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to get a Notion Premium. So let's get started. So first things first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for notion.com and make sure you are logged into your account. And as you can see, I've already logged in with my account. So now all you have to do is just click on this hamburger icon or hover over to this hamburger icon. So once you hover over to this hamburger icon, simply click on this drop down menu over here and just head over to your settings of your username. And here you should see under the left section that is upgrade plan. So simply select it. So once you select it, you can see there are a lot of plans available for you. So basically it's a free version or plus version. So all you have to do is just click on this upgrade button over here to, since we want to upgrade our Notion. So just tap on this upgrade. So it will get a lot of features. So you just have to pay certain amount per month as a member, or you can also pay certain amount per annually. That is your per year, and you can either choose a different payment method from over here as well, like a credit card or debit card or Visa card, and simply enter all of your details as shown over here, as well as expiry date and security code, as well as your country code, and simply click on upgrade to plus to make a payment and simply upgrading to your premium version of your Notion. So you'll be getting a lot of benefits from it, such as unlimited blocks, unlimited charts, custom forms, custom sites, basic integration of Slack, Google Drive, Gmail, etc. So you can also, if you're also using a business account, then you can go for this one over here, which is a popular one. So that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.